Are we back? Did we fix it? Yeah, no more error. Okay, good. Perfect. Okay, I'm waking up. You know, it doesn't help the fact that this room has so much echo in it. I'm just not ready for this much of my own voice. I basically left off last night with this bug, and I want to continue fixing it. And Canvas Group moved. It's never gonna throw. I just got to see actually. Does it pass in a value? I don't think it does. All right. Oh, Jesus. I didn't check my texts before I woke up. Or I didn't check my texts at all this morning until now. And I'm just seeing Mike, you blowing it up. I'll read it later. I got to remember how to do work. I was saying last night also how I miss doing morning streams. Is this how tired I always was? I guess so. I would just sit down in my quiet little room and do work. How are caves? Caves are good. Caves are really good. I'll show them off in a second. So, what I've been doing for the past 2 days is responding to some feedback from IRAD Dev. IRAD Dev was kind enough to play the game for about 4 or 5 hours, and yeah, no, we have many levels of caves with varying types of resources on each one, and the deeper you go into the tiers of cave, the more abundant the resources get until it like switches biomes to like a new resource, and then there's a fake blend of one resource fades away in abundancy and another resource comes in. And the only thing I got to do is add a fast travel so you can like quickly go to which cave you want for the right resource, and then some kind of system where I can infuse a bespoke cave level in between the biomes, so I can like put something to fast travel to, and then maybe put some story elements on those fast travel. Yeah, I need a cave elevator. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. I'm not doing a cave elevator though. All right. So here's what I'm doing. This is your note, I believe, Tuna. This was your note. If you come to here and then this happens, and then you go here, still, right? So I'm trying to address this. Canvas move, decoration, craft canvas group. Oh, I see. Ah, you gotta go. All right, well, if you come back, I'll be here. I got questions for you. I want to know what you've been up to. Okay. Let's re-implement this, which fixed it but caused issues. More coffee. Yum. So here's the issue I'm having. I have that little window that listens for events, like when selections change. And if it hears an event that selection has changed from panel to panel, it will delete itself. So I thought I fixed the problem, right? But when you go back to the other panel, it won't reappear. So look, I got nothing, right? I switch panels, boom. It selects the first thing in the list, and then this panel hears that, oh, we've selected something new. Let's I really want pancakes and bacon right now. Requiem, how's it going? So we select this thing. It's all good, right? And then when we go to the new canvas, the new group, boom, it's gone. Perfect. That's what I want. But when we go back, it doesn't reselect. And the last, so it looks like here, look, we got null. And then crafting button, crafting button, crafting button. These should have re-enabled. Like this disables this, and then this re-enable, re-enable, re-enable. So why isn't it re-enabling? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a late update, and I'm going to do a late update, and only at the end of the frame, because that all those four events are all happening on the same frame. Requiem, it's good to see you. How have you been? This is rare, right? Got the other side of the world. So yeah, I'm gonna store the thing I'm supposed to show. I'm gonna wait till the end of the frame, then show it. That's what I'm gonna do. So public inventory item, show item. No, not public. Everything's public. Private. I don't have any time to watch, but have a great day. One day I'll catch you at the time that works. Seriously, thank you for coming by and saying hi. That means more to me than you having a free time and just sitting there and watching. Just coming here specifically to say hi when you don't have time, that means something to me. Thank you. So here equals null. Then this is this one. So I never want to do this. I never want to do this. Oh, nope, that's the print. Remove text. Why don't I just pass null? Whatever. And then show item is this one. Oh, whoops. What am I doing? Oh, wait. Transaction. Show item transaction. Maybe it's just object. Yeah, it's just scriptable object. And then I'll cast it later. I'll figure out who you are. Don't you worry. And then, okay, show item equals for sale panel. Whoops. I kind of hate doing this. I wish it would just behave. Riot? Okay, and now late update. I just gotta make sure. Oh, this is a base class. I really thought this derived from something. Ooh. Ah. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Show transaction. So if it's a transaction, it toggles them off and then toggles them back on. That's weird. I feel like this should work, and what I'm doing right now is pointless. Let's try it anyway. Whatever. Late update. If show item does not equal null. Ooh, this is weird. I don't want to do this every frame though. I just want to do it once. And then I need like a cached one, I guess. Private. Show item. So only update if this is different. Okay. If show item does not equal show item. And then if show item is inventory item, then set description panel inventory item. Like that. Else if show item is transaction, okay, that looks good. Wait, it doesn't look good. Because I don't know how to spell? No, why doesn't this look good? What's the matter? Why? Do I have a different function? Ah, crap. Show. Oh, it's just show. Wait a minute. How about I just have a show? Public virtual void show. That takes in a script, takes in an object. And then does this. And then I don't have to worry about this. Bit Gamey! How's it going? Man, how are you? Doing good. How are you? I am doing good. Doing real good. I'm just trying to get some work done, you know. I made myself a schedule and I'm already behind. It's been 1 week. Terrible. Early start on a weekend for you. Yeah. Yeah, I got a busy day. So starting now. I think I need to undo everything. God damn it. Because sometimes I say set description panel, and sometimes. I need to undo everything. But I'm going to copy this. Oh, how annoying. Excuse me. Oh, wait, I didn't get rid of any of those? Set description panel. I just. Oh, okay. I can redo it all. I didn't get rid of the function calls that I needed to see. Is there a redo all? Okay, so here I say show. Here I say show, show, show. Here I say set description panel. That's interesting. Why do I say set description panel and not show? I guess it's because I don't want to show the cost of things. So maybe I'll leave this. I'll leave that actually. And then this one will be show item. Yeah, okay. We don't need to do that anymore. We don't need to do that anymore. Or that, or that. And we're going to pass an object. We just need to check if object is inventory item. Oh, whoops. Show. Okay, that should be good. The word show has lost all meaning to me now. Show, S-H-O-W. It looks weird now. Isn't that feeling weird when words just lose all meaning and they look unrecognizable? What a strange phenomena. Okay. Let's see if this works. Let's make sure we're not spamming it. Yeah. Oh, my allergies. Ararugi. Ararugi garimasu. Don't let me forget to wake my wife up at 8:30 in the morning because she has to go to work. Don't let me forget. Should I set an alarm? I'll set an alarm for me to go wake her up. I can see myself getting all caught up in something. So that's in 2 hours. I'm going to set a 2-hour timer. go. Okay. All right, we're good. Nobody's redeemed that in a long time. We got the, all right, it's there. And it's, what? Why didn't it not show me anything? Nurk. What up, Nurk? I haven't been here in a long time. You stream when I sleep now. I know. I know. I stream when everyone sleeps. Nick. Good evening, Nick. Good evening, Michael. Good evening, BitGamey. Shout out. Gotta start the shout outs. It's too early. It's too early to remember to shout people out. I'm on PS5. Chat with Omar. What up, Omar? How do you say good evening in Japanese? It's oh my god, I'm blanking. Konbanwa. It's konbanwa. Yeah. Splinter. Hey, how's it going? Oh, it's Splinter. It's the Splinter. Totally blanked. Okay. I need a print that's showing me when that's happening. Nihon wa dou desu ka? Ah, Nihon wa ii desu. Tanoshi desu. Tenki wa kirei na. Kirei na hi desu. Kyou wa kirei no tenki desu. Just fine. E is good. It's not. I'm not Sugoi right now because it's too early for Sugoi. Too early for Sugoi. I love Sugoi Weaver movies. Nanji asa gohan o tabemasu ka? Asa gohan o tabemasen. Onaka ga suki desu. Onaka ga suki desu. Or onaka ga sukimasu. Sorry. So I did not eat breakfast. I am hungry. My stomach has space. The way you say hunger is weird. You basically say, like, my stomach craves. Craved the food. Rokuji? What's Rokuji? You need a redemption for pronounce a Japanese word? I should, yeah. I don't know what to do with it though. Also, should I even have this collection or should I just run over it? All right, here we go. Boom. Gotta figure this out. Late update. Late update. It's not happening. Why is late update not even happening? Oh, wait. What? What? Why is late update not happening? How is it changing? Did I not save? Am I even in the right script? What is happening? If show item does not equal underscore show item, which should happen every time, we hear an event because show item changes every time. Oh, wait, no. Did it happen like once? Let's collapse this. Collapse. Did it ever happen? It never happened once. How is it even changing? What's going on here? How are you doing, Splinter? Oh, and the way you say nice to meet, you basically means don't be mean to me. Hajimemashite. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. There's a lot of ways to say. There's a lot of ways to like greet people for the first time. Dozo yoroshiku. Duolingo teaches you some weird ones though. I feel like every time I learn the early Duolingo lessons, when you use them in practice, every Japanese person has corrected me and said like either that's way too polite or that doesn't really work in this situation. Duolingo, you know? What's up with that? It's Gucci. It's very game programmy. It is. And the saying when you enter someone's house, like there's a saying that you when you go over someone's house like to visit, it's basically like I'm so sorry for inconveniencing you. Duolingo Korean is unhinged. Why? What the hell? I don't know how this is working right now. New craft. New item selected. New item selected. Oh, it is doing this one. It's not an inventory slot though. What the hell? Did I make those crafting things inventory slots? No. No, we didn't do that. New item selected. New item selected. Get inventory slot. Set description panel. It's actually not working because that other print's not happening. Yo. Code Space, how's it going? How you been? I don't like this. Tuna, this bug is really weird, and I don't know why this isn't working. Tuna's not here, but this is Tuna's bug. This is the tuna bug. You've been good. That's great to hear. It's fantastic. What have you been up to? Still doing that Emacs? The thing that I barely know what it is? Tuna bug sounds like a bad sushi roll. Ugh. Ew. Triangles sneaking in there with the comments. How's it going, Triangles? What is happening? Why do I feel like a crazy person? I started teaching myself CapCut because it's quick and easy for captions and emojis. Fun fact about CapCut, you can't copy and paste from one project to another. So I can't make two versions of the same video. Can you just duplicate your file? Irad! Irad! Yo. I can't thank you enough for the playtests you did. I got so many notes from that freaking playthrough, and it was hysterical to watch. Like, you were, why can't I? There we go. I got so many good notes. Look at this freaking list. I've been hitting this list for the past 2 days on stream. I've been trying. Yes. So it's been a lot of work trying to get through some of these bugs and some of these visual glitches that you're experiencing. And yeah, the role playing you were doing was like inspiring me to do so much more with the playfulness. So thank you, guys. Go follow iRed Dev. Dario's stream is incredibly entertaining, and everyone's a mod, so it's anything can happen. Also, Nick, someone in my night crew, they edit talking head videos. They edit podcast talking head videos, which is so funny because so do you. And they use a software where it's AI based, and it basically scans through really long videos and it pulls highlights out. And I'm wondering if that's relevant to you. You should look up. I don't remember the name of the software. Can't talk much. Washing dishes. All right, no worries. Get those dishes clean. Sarai araimash. Wait, saro araimash. Yeah. I think I just said wash dishes. I will wash dishes. Sara o araimasu. Opus AI. Yeah, that's the one. Do you use it? Or did you just Google it? You can play test? Codespace. Redeem that dash. You want to? Do you want a key? I'll give you a key. I know you got the dash. Are you in the Discord? Pop in the Discord and I'll give you a key. If anyone wants to play, you get a key. You just gotta tell me. Yeah, I looked into it. I don't know. I'd rather just find the funny parts myself. AI might be able to find chunks of usable material, but I think I can find actual funny parts. I think you're right. I think you could do a way better job than AI. This is just like a starting point, you know? And if you have the time to watch an entire, the podcast, I think the podcasts that this person edits are like 4 hours long. So that's a lot to listen to. Shiny Games! First time chat at Bollywood. Thank you for the follow. How's it going? How you doing? How did I miss that you stream? I don't know. I've been streaming for like 8 months. How you doing? I want to play. Mike, I sent you a key. I definitely sent you a key. All right, there you go, Code Space. Unity gang? Yeah. How's everything going? How's Escape Space? How'd the launch go? What's next on the docket? It's kind of done since January. That must feel really good. You must. Oh, I wish I was in your position. A released game and moving on to the next one. Oh, that's like the dream. Oh my god, I'm jealous. I wish I can release this game and just move the funk on. All right, so what was I doing? I'm just trying to fix this stupid UI bug. What is the next game? I got ideas. Maybe I'll tell you guys what they are one day. Because I have an idea you can buy for me. If it's gonna have murder in it, so I'm good. I'll get there, yeah. All right. Also, what the hell's going on? Why isn't this working properly? Am I crazy? Does late update not do what I think it does? Late update. Oh, let's do another print. Oh, get out of here. Get out of here. It's called Love Nest, and you're a woman looking for her next husband. So you lure men back to your home, and then you can have... Can you not make me say that on this PG-13 stream? Jesus. I'm going to ban you. I'm going to give you a timeout. Mike, you're timed out. It's funny because I already got this in my wish list. Nice. I wouldn't be surprised because Irish John shouts me out a lot. He's very kind to me. Uncle Mods, how's it going? You can say fucking PG-13, but only once. I say it very rarely on the stream. I make sure to only say it a handful of times. How was this working? I turned it off. Damn it. You get one F in PG-13. What's happened to the world? Soon you're going to get like one nip slip in a PG-13. And then you'll get one nip slip in a PG movie. One F to give. I got one F to give. Uncle Mod, how you doing? Welcome in. When are we going to get a nip slip on this? What are you trying to get me banned? What are the rules against guys doing shirtless streams? There's got to be. I mean, I don't know if there's a rule against that. It's definitely not going to happen here. This happens every frame? Get the hell out of here. Get the heck out of here. Why? If show item does not equal show item, then make them equal to each other. Why is it happening every frame? Oh, okay. Or if show item is null and show item equals null. Okay. I didn't think that would matter. If they're both null, then they equal the same thing, right? But no, it means neither of them equal anything. That's weird. So that's why it's working. It's working. Wait, but why isn't it spamming print update? No, it wasn't doing it. It actually was safeguarding it because it's not doing the late update. Yo, I feel like a crazy person right now. I feel like an absolute crazy person that this isn't working. I thought this was supposed to be an easy bug to fix. Time for dinner. Good luck with the game. Thank you so much for saying hi. Thank you for the follow. Have a good dinner. Oh, that music is cranking. Whoops. Also, if you guys don't know about Shitey Games, and if you're still there, Shitey, am I pronouncing it right? Because sometimes I'll think it and I'll think it's like shitty games, and that's not a good pronunciation of that. What is shiny? Wait, it is happening now. Wait, now it's happening every frame. Oh. It's not good, but a memorable one, yeah. Is that how you're supposed to pronounce it? Shitty? Is that the joke? Oh, wait, no, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. So, yeah. That's basically saying if they're both null, do it forever. And that's not what I want. Shiny. Shiny. Yeah, okay. So I was saying it right the first time. Shiny. What is the next game idea? What were you working on? I don't think I've caught one of your streams in a long time since I've moved. You're on the opposite schedule as me. I finally feel awake. I might table this bug because it's like eating up 40 minutes and I haven't fixed it yet. If I don't get there in like the next 5 minutes, I'm calling it. I'm calling it. Yeah, they are. Oh my god, collapse. Collapse. Yeah, we're tabling it. Tabling it. I'm going to go back to what I had. I'm going to remove the slate update. I'm going to unhide these and hide these. And we're just going to ignore everything. Move on with our lives. And we're going to say, these were added to fix the bug when there is no transaction on a page. Ooh, maybe I just don't show that freaking page. Can I do that? Can I dynamically change how many canvases there are, or how many tabs there are in a GUI? Nope. We're just gonna ignore that one and move on with our lives and be defeated. I was defeated. Good suggestions for improvement. Make NPCs react to getting their pictures taken. That's fun. I want to do that. So how do I do that? Yeah. Okay. I'm all right. We got this. We got this. I'm gonna make NPCs react to getting their photos taken, and it's gonna be great. So I have an event they can listen to, and if they're the subject, they just like play an animation. It's so simple. It's so simple. Photo system. I don't listen to the events here? Take photograph. Do I trigger the event? Trigger? Sound effect event. Camera minigame event. New photograph taken. List of the photographs. Yep. Okay, so I just need to listen for this event in a script and react. So where should I put that? I should put that in the... Where does it go? Where does this go? Should I put it in a script that already exists, or should I just make a new one? I should probably put in the animation controller, so then everything can just have a quick and easy way to respond to a photo. No, but that makes it not very modular. Maybe I'll make a new script. I'll make a new script. Do I have a photograph section? Scripts. Player. Nah. Minigames? No. NPCs? All right, we'll just put in NPCs. And we'll say, actually, wait, let me look at an NPC. Let me just make sure there's nothing good. There's no good place for me to put it. Basic. Basic generic. Okay, so is there a good place to put this currently? I don't want to put it in any of these. No. Nav mesh agent, locomotion, animation controller, NPC nav. No, that's how they move around. This is the interactable. It kind of relevant, maybe not. Dialogue helper, no. Dialogue actor, no. Item requester, no. Footstep detector, no. I think it makes sense to make a new script, and then I can put it on anything. Ooh, then I can put it on anything. All right. So yeah, let's go back. Let's make a fun new script. This is just fun stuff we're doing. This has nothing to do with any of the bugs. This is just fun new stuff, which is terrible. Terrible. I shouldn't be doing this. Photograph reaction manager. That's too long. Photo reaction. Photo react manager. Okay. It's so easy. It's going to be one line of code using more mountains. Dot tools. Grumble of pugs, it's grumble of pugs. I don't know why your name makes me sing it. How's it going? Excuse you, it's Friday. Excuse you. I am in the future, and where I am, it is Saturday. How are you? What event was it? Camera minigame event. Good. Vimlark just played my game. I got some good feedback. That's cool. Vimlark's huge. He's a big boy. Big streamer boy. That's how you describe popular people, right? Big streamer boys. I've only caught his stream once, just to understand what I was looking at. But he was in like a just chatting mode, so I don't know what his normal stream is like. What does he do? Start listening. Camera mini game event. Yeah, why are you upset? Yeah, you do, you liar. Yo, you're lying to me. This dot. Why is this lying to me like this? Photo React Manager does not contain a definition for event start listening. And the best extension method overload event start listening requires a receiver. Oh, whoops. Okay, here we go. If e.event type equals new photograph taken. So what do I do? What do I do? Should I just throw a Unity event? He has a raffle system to play your game every Friday. Dog, what up, dog? How you doing? Also, everyone go follow Grumble. Made it. It's good to see you. How you been? We're going strong this Saturday morning. It's been good? Nice. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna I'm gonna throw an event. Can I trigger an animation based on the events? Let's see. Unity event public photo taken event. And then let's say, okay, photograph. Oh. That means I need to make these photographables. That sucks. I can do that. I could do that. I can do that. God damn it. That's not that easy, actually. Yeah, this ain't easy. Where's their does this have a rigid body? Okay, it does. Photographable. That means every NPC needs its own photographable. Fuck. Subject, object, photograph. This is set automatically. Yeah, I know. But how? If it's a decoration, we get the subject here. If it's an item picker, we get the subject there. If it's a biome object, we get the subject there. If it's an NPC interactable, we get the subject. So we know what the subject is actually. So the photograph could be just a regular old subject. All right, I gotta close some of these. Schedule, animal, biome, caves. Grumble, how's the trailer coming? How is the trailer coming? I can check if it's up yet. Let me check. It's not up yet. Also, I'm still curious about Vimlark. So, you haven't done anything for 2 days? That's totally fine. So he has a raffle system to play your game. Where does he come from? What's his background? Like, is he an indie dev? I'm just not sure. Curious. He started from YouTube. Another one of those. He has a YouTube channel about making games and all that. All right. So I need to know who triggers this. Take photograph. The photo minigame controller. And nearby objects to array. On proximity set change, we update the subject. Get nearby objects clean. Get nearby objects. So do I get nearby objects based on subject or based on photographable? That's the real question. Let's see. So I put this script, photographable, on this NPC. If I go to take a photo of them, I feel like I'm going to get a null because there's no photographable thing. Let's see. What was the feedback that you got that you really appreciated the most? Wish I can play. All right, so here comes our boy. Oh, look at that. It flashed intractable name. And it threw an error. So cannot be null. I knew that would happen. That's expected behavior. Grumble Pug started by playing Baba Is You. What is Baba Is You? Because I see that as a channel redeem on Grumble's stream. Distract me with Baba. What is Baba? Oh, you will soon. I just need to give Apple $100 so I can make a build. That is $100 well spent. You're basically spending $100 just so I can play it. Yeah, what's Baba? Can you enlighten me? Return. Okay, so if... Wait. I'm returning if it contains the key, but I'm getting a key. Value cannot be found. Yeah. I'm returning a bool if the key exists. Why is it throwing this error? Back. How's it going? I've seen you taking pictures of Jeff. I'm trying to... I'm doing this for you. I want the NPCs to react to their photos being taken. Like, I want them to strike a pose or, like, do this or just say, hey, don't do that. Well, that's a cool emote. It's an insane puzzle game. That's the real IRAD. Floating icon manager. Huh. So if is photo system is photo taken. Oh. Contains key photo. So it's not going to so I guess I need another one, like if photo exists. Yeah. So the photographable. I need to know if the photographable is null. If photographable dot photograph equals null. Return. Get the hell out of here. Yeah, that's exactly what I need. So now I can take photos of things when they don't have a photograph enabled, or at least I can respond to them. This is all I need. Perfect. And then I might as well set something in the editor to react. So photo react manager. We want to photo taken event dot invoke, and let's print photo taken of. Oh wait. Okay, no. I still can't do this because this event only lists photographs. What I should also do is list the subjects and oh wait, the photographs are null. I actually do list the photographables. Sick. Okay, that's perfect, right? Okay, that might be perfect. This is very complicated. I know. Bear with me. So, oh, but I passed null. Can I not pass null? Can I like, do I even have the photographable photo sheet? I don't have that anymore. Who saved? Who's? Oh, I do have the photographable though. for each photograph. Get photograph. Okay, so I can pass the object subject, get the photograph. Here I pass an array and I get an array back. I want another one that's just pass in the one photographable and get the one photograph back. Okay. Public. Get photograph. Get photograph. No. I don't like this. I don't like this. No. I don't like it. Oh, it's the same subject. It's the same exact subject. Okay. This might be more complicated than I want to do right now. God damn it. Another one that's just too complicated? All right, I'll just make photographables of all the NPCs. God. All right, this is all in an effort to not have to make 40 scriptable objects right now, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to make 40 scriptable objects right now. And I could do it via script. I should write, crackles, sorry. I'll write a script to do it. Component, tools, yeah. Create savable prefab from selection. All right, so. Create savable prefab utility. No. Scriptable wizard. Oh, wait, yeah. Look at this. So menu tools create. Okay, so let's put it here. Static void. Create photo from selection. For each game object in selection.game objects. If obj okay, I want to see if it has, so I'll say object try get component NPC properties. Ouch, NPC properties, NPC. Okay, so now we know it's an NPC. We want to create a also we need to do this. Okay. Savable prefab? No. We want a photograph. Photograph equals scriptable object dot create instance photograph. And then we don't need to do that. We just need to, what do we need to do? We just need to name it, right? What is a photograph? What is a photograph? It is a scriptable object that has a name and a subject. And the subject is anything. The subject can be literally anything, right? Yeah, it's just an object. So I want the subject to be the NPC itself. So we need to set the subject. Easy. Photograph dot subject equals the NPC dot NPC. Get NPC. Okay, perfect. That was easy. And now we want to save it. We want to save it in, not here. Where do I save these? I save these in scriptable objects? No. Photo. I save them in content, resources, photographs. Content. Resources. Photographs. I call them photo. And then the proper name is the NPC name. So npc dot get npc dot name. Sure. Create assets, savable prefab. Photo. Save. Okay. This should get all. Oh, wait. You know what? And instead of, I'm not going to expect. Okay. This is, wait, why am I? I'm just going to select the scriptable objects and make it from there. Why am I selecting it from that? Prefabs. Okay. Create photo. Oh, and then we need to put it in the menu. This is all in an effort to not have to make 40 scriptable objects from scratch. And oh, I could. There's one more thing I can do. So the photograph dot display name equals npc dot name npc name. Okay. Anything else? Visitor center collectible. That should be false because we don't want to display our photos of the NPCs in the visitor center. So I don't know if that's on by default. Is that on by default? That is no, it's false by default. Okay. We don't need to set that. All right, let's see if that worked. Let's see if that worked. All because IRAD was creepily taking photos of all the NPCs, and I wanted them to react in funny ways. All right. So now I need to go to the NPCs. Basic. I'll start with one. Start with Benji. And I will go to tools. Wait, I didn't make the button. Tools will say create photo from selection. And eventually I'll extend this so it works with non-NPCs. NPCs should be flattered by me taking pictures of them, not Birch. Birch is going to hate you. Also, I fixed that infinite Birch phone home quest. That was the first thing on my list. That was a stupid oversight on my end. Birch was okay with me taking pictures. Wait, why am I hitting play? I don't want to hit play. No, Birch and Paul are not going to be okay with this. I think it'd be funny if Jeff is okay with it. Now I need animations of like different poses, like photo poses. Yeah, this is not what I wanted. I'll call Jeff, he'll be okay. Yeah, Jeff's gonna love it. Jeff's gonna love it. All right, create photo from selection. Let's see, did I make a photo of basic Benji? Photo basic Benji. No, that didn't work. Why? Let's see, Benji. No photo. Okay, it didn't happen. It didn't happen. Why didn't it happen? If object. Try get component. It's stupid. It's not a prefab anymore. If object is NPC. Okay. There we go. I'm impressed you made such a game in 84 working days. Yeah, right. Oh my god, it's been 1,000 days. Oh my god, it's been 1,000 days. Ben, what's going on? Oh god, I got no sleep last night because I felt so bad about how I treated you yesterday. God. Stop taking days off and it'll be faster. You're right. Why can't I do this? Cannot convert Unity game engine game object to NPC. If object is NPC. What? Game selection. Oh, because it's not a game object. It's a scriptable object. But but selection is always game objects. Returns the actual game object selection, includes prefabs and non-modifiable objects. How do I get the selection of a non-game object? Selection dot. Via Grandma has a very different definition of what constitutes awful treatment than I do. It's adorable. I just made a joke. I think Finn knows that I like him, though. There, I made up for it. You get a shout out. Conscious is cleared. Nah, you deserve it. Selection dot. Not game objects. Asset GUIDs? No. Active transforms. Objects. I guess it's just objects, right? And then it's object. And yeah, okay. This should work. Let's try that. Yeah. Okay. It's not mad anymore. Did you say to Finn that his UV mapping is awful? I think his methods for UV mapping is awful. Procedurally and Houdini? Ugh. Make me vomit. Make me vomit pixels. I'm out of coffee. What do I do? Switch to water? Boring. The amount of effort it takes to make fun features is annoying. I really thought this was gonna be like one line of code, like react to photo taken. Nah. Would I have been done with making the 40 scriptable objects yet? Maybe. But this will help me in the long run. I want to make other things photos. So basic Benji, create photo from selection. Leave, come back, boom, there it is. Photo of basic Benji. Did it set the stuff right? Basic Benji NPC. Display name Benji. Freaking ditto. Let's freaking go. Tools. Create photo from selection. If it makes a difference, if it makes any difference, I support you, Finn. Wait until he hears about how I've automated the final stage of the process too. Ugh. It does. When my tool chain becomes industry standard and I get like no compensation, you'll all be forced to remember me. No way. No freaking way. You know what the first feedback on Alpine Lake? It was from Munglo saying no back faces on the roof tiles in the intro scene. I missed that. When did that happen? Also, wait, what? They'll rename it to Fin Chain. You mean your process? All right, so now I've got all of the photographs. So now I need to set them. NPC prefabs basic. All right, so this is actually the annoying part. I need to set them. This I probably could have automated as well, but oh, I don't need to because it grabs it automatically. It grabs it automatically. Maybe. Maybe. Okay, so this it's supposed to grab it automatically. Let's see, get subject, try get component, interactable, NPC. Okay. The subject is the NPC. Get subject. Subject equals NPC. Yes, 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 yes. And we get the subject, and then we get the photograph based on that subject. So get photograph. If the subject equals the subject. Yes. Oh my God, it gets it automatically. I don't have to set it, thank goodness. I should hide that in the editor so I know. Like, I put a thing here that's like, you know, I'm automatically set, but why don't I just hide it instead of hide in editor? Wait, hide. Do I just say hide? Hide in inspector. Okay, there. Now I can't mistake it. No mistakes. What's happening? Oh, okay. I can't talk much about 3D or UV mapping. Last time I did anything was a cube in Blender, and it took me an hour. That's ridiculous because we all know Blender starts with a cube. We all know this. Am I going to finish one thing on stream today? Like, can I please finish this? All right, so now we did it. All right, it's got a photograph. It can react. Let's go. Let's do this. It was a cube with rounded edges. Ooh, we had a big discussion about rounded edges last night. A big discussion. Finn, what did we say? What did we talk about? You know, when you work at a place and everyone hates doing a thing and there's one guy who fucking loves it. I'm that guy, UVs. Yeah. I don't mind doing UVs. Maya's got really powerful UV tools, and I never spend more than 5 minutes on UVs. Okay, we need to take a photo of our boy Jeff. We got question marks. New photo of Jeff. Okay, so we got a new photo of Jeff. It worked, but he didn't react. Did we throw? I didn't throw the thing here. Oh, I didn't put the script on him. I like UIs. That's weird. Nobody likes UI. Wait, what the hell? My dog's. Sometimes my dog puts her head right next to the wheel of my chair. So if I didn't know she was there, I'd roll over her head. I swear, she's like one of those suicide bunnies. Where's your demo, IRAD? Yeah, I want to play it too. And also make sure to make a Mac build. Don't leave me hanging. I am not a fan of UIs. I'm having it. You missed the UI bug I was just dealing with, and I gave up. Let me start another 5 projects half baked first. Excuse me. Ooh, I need more coffee. Photograph reaction. Photograph React Manager. Print React. Yo. Oh, and I need to see if this is me. So if the new photograph is taken, if e dot, okay. So in order to react, I need to get public photo, private photograph, and then start. I need to make sure this happens after the photographable gets its subject. So I need to delay this by 1 frame. Or the photographable can say get component. I could say, okay. If game object, or just try, can I just say try get component? Do I have to say game object? No. Out. I do. Game object dot try get component. Out. Why? What? Out. Oh, it's just out. Photograph React. Photo React Manager. React. And then React.photo. Or I'll say set photo. Okay. So I just need to implement this. I don't need to do this anymore. Public void set photo. Photograph photo. Oh my god. If no, just photograph equals photo. Okay. So now if e.photographs.contains photograph, if it doesn't contain, we get the heck out of there and then we react. Okay, we're ready. What did I miss? Always check for cats. What? I forget. My kitty passed away a couple of months ago. I'm very sorry. But I still always check for cats. People's Finsifty, I'm sorry. Losing a pet is horrible. Absolutely horrible. As long as those are actual projects and not a random new Twitch bot idea. I read you got a lot of projects, don't you? Shady, you have to put in a detailed application about your life and experience to get the Alpine Lake playtest. I have noticed, I don't know if this is common, lots of people I see coding in Unity on Twitch don't like sudo it out first. Not even in natural language. Am I just a weird coder? If I am making a large system, like with a lot of connections, I'll write everything in comments first, and then I'll fill it in later. But this is just flow. I just know what I need to do. I released a pixel art game, and I'm working on a 3D game. Beside that, my life isn't that interesting. Shady, that's not true. Can you link us escape space so everyone can look at it and buy it and wishlist it? Here, I have it. This is Shidy's game. Give it a whirl. You made up a list? You have multiple games? What? Robot Arena Survivors. I did not see that. I did not see that. I had no idea. That's awesome. You got multiple games. That's even more of the dream. This is you're working on your third game now. Okay, so now I need to put that reaction script on the NPC, and then everyone should be able to react. Robot isn't released yet. Oh, is that the next one? So that's the next one you're working on now. Ooh. Wait, you've been working on this since January, and this is what it looks like? That looks great. Get the hell out of here. This is just since January? Are you kidding me? You already have Steam page up? Yo, that's pro. Please tell me you've been working on it since more than January. Please. Damn. Must be nice to actually finish something. Godot sad. That's a funny one. Very cool. It's all easy systems. I just had to learn Blender from scratch. That was fun. So you made all those models too? And is this your first foray into 3D and you made all those models? Yeah, that's crazy. That's awesome, man. Did you know that one of the Unreal free marketplace assets a few months ago was Survivor's template? I didn't. I make sure to grab all of the Unreal assets, but sometimes I miss them. I must have missed the Vampire Survivors one. All right, let's see. Come on. Where are you, Jeff? No, no. 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 Oh, you son of a bitch. No. Oh, he's so quick. All right, he stands still here. Wait, I didn't put the reaction script on him. God damn it. We live in a world where we can learn whatever we want just by opening a new tab on Google, and I think that is cool. I think that's cool too. I learned how to code. I learned how to code from the free Harvard iTunes U classes on Objective-C and app building. It was so out of my league, but I watched the whole entire course twice, and then I took a boot camp, and then it all made sense and it clicked. Basic, generic. Okay. Terrible name. All right, let's get you reacting to some photos, please. Photo react manager. Wait, why don't I just put this in the photographable? What is wrong with me? Why didn't I just put it in this thing? It's because I didn't want to make it photographable. Yo, I'm so stupid. I am so stupid. I am beyond stupid. I wouldn't even have had to make photographs of everything. I could have just had the photo manager ping this thing when the photo was taken. Oh. I'm going to do that. I'm going to get rid of this photo react manager. No, I'm not. What should I do? What should I do? They're two different things. All right. No. I'm going to get rid of it. It doesn't make any sense to have a whole reaction manager. I have the photographable. Use it. Oh my God, I'm such an idiot. I'm such a Freaking moron. Should I even listen for the event? No, I shouldn't. I can't believe I did that. I can't believe I did that. Public void react to photo. And then I can't believe I did that. I'm so stupid. Using Unity engine events. Public Unity events. Photo react event. We're just going to straight up do this. Dot invoke. React to photo. And then the system that grabs the photographable, that's it. We're just going to say, we're just going to ping it and say react. I can't believe, why didn't you guys stop me? I spent all that time. I should have just... All right. It's no big deal. Photographable. Okay, photographable.react to photo. That's all I needed to do. That's all I needed to do. They don't even need a subject. It would just ignore it. They don't. Can't believe it. Also, why does my camera keep doing that nowadays? Getting a little hot. Getting a little hot in here. There we go. I hate having to change my exposure control based on the sun. But the auto expose is a horrible feature that favors the window. All right, this reaction manager, I'm going to ignore it. I'm just going to ignore it. See, I thought this would be a cool system because then I can, instead of making things photographable, just make them react. And I could have just put the reaction in the photographable and ignored any photograph mechanics, and just a moron. Just remove component. And then react. We're just going to comment all this out and say unused. This script is not used anymore. I'll keep it just in case, but we live in a world where we can, oh, you said it already, or I said it already. I'm still a beginner in code. I learned through Bracky's videos and Stack Overflow before AI arrived. Bracky's. Who hasn't seen a Bracky's video, am I right? I definitely watched a few in my day. So now, okay, we don't need to set. I just want to, I gotta make this faster. We don't need to do that anymore. So react to photo. Photo reaction event. All right, so what is the event? And then let's print react. Okay. Int Marcus. How's it going? Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. All right, so now let's make Jeff react. So NPC Jeff. And what should we have him do? It's very simple. All I want to do is make an event. And I'll grab the animation controller. And what should I do? I could have him trigger action animation, trigger activity animation, trigger animation prefix. I think it's this one that I want. Trigger anim prefix. And then I can just say like, do whatever. Animation controller. What else do I got? Moving, present item. Action anim. I swear I had one that was like an enum that I can choose from. It doesn't look like enums are an option here. I can't just use the enums. Trigger action anim. It says int, but let me just confirm. So the animation controller has these animation trigger prefixes. Shiny! All right, you're in the alpha. Just let me add you to the super secret channel. Oh, also code space. I need to get code space in the super secret channel, edit channel. Permissions. Code space. Done. There's your key. No pressure to play, you know. No pressure at all. I know how it goes. And then there's also a channel where people tell me what's wrong with the game. All right. So yeah, it's this trigger animation prefix. I guess I'll just trigger happy for now. Trigger animation prefix. Yeah. So, Scooty. Thank you for the follow, Scooty. So I need to know what number this is. Equals 1 equals 2. Hola, how are you? Your name is very familiar. I feel like I've seen you in the Twitch universe before. And Crazy Mike. Where the hell is Crazy Mike? Tell that Scrum Master to get his ass back on Twitch. We want 10. Shiny Games, it's okay because ChatGPT and Copilot are now trained on Stack Overflow. Is that legal? He's busy being feature complete and rejected by Steam. Rejected? Wait, he's having issues? Oh no. I wonder why they're rejecting him. They paid Stack Overflow to use their data. Oh, okay, that's good. Well, I don't know. I guess if you're going to use Stack Overflow to give advice, you're agreeing to Stack Overflow's terms of agreement, and then Stack Overflow has the right to sell your data. I guess that's economy, ain't it? Oh no, not happy. I want 10, right? Ugh, what did I say? Is it 10? 10. Okay, so now when I take a picture of Jeff, he's gonna react in a happy way. I hope. Let's see. Yeah, so if you gave your work to Stack Overflow for free, now they're monetizing it for AI training. I mean, yeah. So if in theory, you can apply the same logic to ArtStation selling all of their imagery to Midjourney. I think Midjourney scraped it without asking, and that's what like a lot of the controversy is. But if you're going to use ArtStation, ArtStation could just sell it. Shit. Photo too blurry. No. No, he's so hard to photograph. I'm just going to go straight to the end. No, they scraped without asking. That's why they have the no AI flag. Yeah, but there is a world where ArtStation could just decide to sell it. Wait, what did he just do? Oh, he raked. He's like doing the rake animation. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Why is he doing rake if I pass 10? Yeah. What? What? Sugar. Yeah. Do it. Do the thing. Do the thing, please. It's raking. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And when I pass 10, it's doing rake. How about this? Can I... Jeff. I mean, I'm glad he did something. That's a start. I don't want to just accept that I need to put 9. I want to understand. And can I put happy? Wait, I can put letters, but I can't put number. Because I have an override that's like, accept a string as well. But it's not letting me do the string version. Is it in the list here? Action. Oh, here, anim prefix string. I'll do the string version. I'll just say happy. I have that for this exact scenario. Maybe those numbers messed it up. Maybe if you don't have a number, it's different. No, but setting the number explicitly should fix that. This is weird. I'm not sure they can. I think it's very much you own what you post. Well, that's good. That's what you want to hear, right? All right, I'm going to get you, Jeff. Oh, you kidding me? No. Got it. And he did the right thing. He's happy. All right. All right. I spent so much time just to do that. Are you kidding me? Now I have to manually choose what they say and what they do. Can I start a conversation? That's actually I'll leave it at that for now. I'll leave it at that for now. So now the system is in place. I'll do the content later. Moving on. Make NPCs react. Dog photo. Okay. Should doors have nearby object managers and only close when empty? No, I don't want to do that right now. Swap the wood in the Alpine Trail with collectible wood. Should tea leaves be edible? I don't care. Bike in the house should immediately dirty up floors. Yeah, they should. Yeah, they should. Floor tile. Oh, what's this error? Stupid Unity error, whatever. Okay. The bike thing I like. Make rocks and shrubs photographable? Nah, I don't really care right now. Add pavement floor tile? That's, yeah. Add response after Stella talks about carving. No, that's way too much work right now. Mark new unseen recipes on the tabs and on recipes. Okay, I like this one a lot, actually. Every game does this. When you have new recipes, it puts a little star and says, you've never looked at this yet. So I think I'm gonna do that. What does that mean intrinsically, though? It means I need to save which ones I've seen and which ones I know and which ones I've seen. So the player stats, I think player stats saves what I've seen. Items discovered at transaction sheets. Transaction sheet is mastered. Ah, public bool seen. Transaction seen equals false. Set mastered, public void, set seen, bool val. It doesn't even need a bool, just set seen. Seen equals true. Okay. Wait. I was joking? What did you do? Joking about what? And how do I use the key? It's a Steam key. It's a Steam key. You go to the Steam and then you put in the key. Yeah, I think you say like add new game, redeem key, and you put it in there. But what were you joking about? Did I miss something? Or were you joking about wanting the key? You don't have to use it. But if you redeem it, I have to give it to you. All right, so in the this is convenient because I have a little star icon on the crafting GUI, basically to indicate whether or not you've mastered that crafting that recipe. But I got rid of the whole crafting mastery thing. So what I could do instead is just repurpose the thing that's already there. Ooh, that's perfect. So crafting display, crafting recipe display. All right. So here I have this star. Mastered image. So I'm going to repurpose this and it's going to just be called scene image. Scene. And I'm going to put it where am I going to put it? I want to put it at the very end and at the very top. So now you know, hey, come look at this. Gonna go get some stuff done on this little air console quiz thing I'm making. See ya, Grandma. Scooty, thanks for stopping by. Have a good one. So now this is the scene. Oh, Linux. I don't have a Linux build up. I can make one though. I've made one before. When I do one, I'll let you know. But you can still have that key. It's yours. I'm a man of my word when someone redeems their Dosh. Proton? You mean you can play it anyway because of Proton? What's Proton? Is that a Windows emulator? Sounds familiar. All right, so ingredient panel. Mastered icon. All right, so set transaction. So here, instead of if mastered icon does not equal null, okay. Master.set active. And so instead of saying is recipe mastered, I'll just say is seen. And then I'll have to implement this. Wait. Player stats. What was that? Is recipe mastered? So now I want a public bool is recipe seen. Transaction. If transaction. I'm just gonna copy this whole thing. Seen. Okay. So do that instead. Proton is a fork of wine. Wine is not an emulator. It is a translation layer for Windows stuff to run on Linux. So you're describing the difference between an emulator and a translator, and that's the same to me. I don't know. All right, so now we just need a way to see the photographs. Basically, every time I select it, I want to say, hey, you've been seen. Ooh, and that means we got to pop back into that other script that rocked us before. That actually shouldn't be so bad. Let's see, inventory event input button. I can say, let's say, wait, is this a static thing? No, this ain't static. How are we getting you? How is the ingredient panel getting this? Oh, I'm just getting it straight from the game manager. That's so bad. How am I setting things to be mastered? Let's see. But I have to reinstall my travel work device. I don't have to. It looks in the DLLs to make it in a form where Linux can understand it. Oh man, that's a. I guess that has less overhead than a emulator. I don't know. Master recipe. Who calls you? Ingredient panel. So I just say, yeah, I just use the static reference. All right. So now instead of doing this here, I'm going to check if this display has been selected, and then we've seen it. Wait, do I want the display to have displayed it, or this crafting? Yeah. Okay. I think I want the crafting window to announce it, and not the display to be like, hey, I've seen this. So GUI controller, nope. Scroll view. Crafting scroll view manager. So anytime we select the new one, we're just going to say, hey, it's been seen. New selection. Ingredients panel. Oh. That's how mice trigger this? Oh, mice. I'm like, what are mice? What are mice? What's a mouse? What's happened to me that I don't remember what a mouse is? This is a mouse. I forgot what this was. All right. This is why that code wasn't working before. Oh my God. This is why. Because we don't throw an event. We just straight up call it. This is what was... That's so funny that I'm doing this right now because, yeah, this is why I struggled for an hour to fix a bug and I couldn't fix it. Because we don't throw an event. We just straight up call it. With the question marks. That's horrible. I hate that. I'm switching it. I don't even think the question mark thing works when it's a game object. Okay. So we want to say only in this window, ingredients description panel. We want this one, or I guess either of them, right? Owns text. All right. Okay. So this means we're definitely seeing it. And we don't want to master the recipe. We want a scene recipe. See recipe. Okay, so if transaction sheets dot contains reinstalling right now. No, don't do that. Don't do that just for this. That's too much. Let's add a new event. Or I can just say updated. I'll just say updated. Okay. Oh wait, does a sheet exist yet? Looks like I make a new sheet if it doesn't exist. Do I need to do that? I guess so. Learn recipe. No. I already know this recipe. It's guaranteed. But I'll put all this here anyway. See. Updated. Scene equals true. Transaction sheet. Okay. And then when this is updated, I'm pretty sure I refresh the whole UI when this is updated. And that little icon will disappear. Is that it? So now I need multiple recipes to test. All right. In the meantime, I might actually put the stream on hold for a few hours and come back a little later. So I'm definitely going to do that, actually. I got to do some chores, some errands. We're going to... We're going to hop out. We're going to raid someone real quick. And then I'll come back. I'll probably come back in a few hours. Where should we go?
We don't have anything specific planned for today's show. This week's show is going to be really interesting. Don't tell what's going to be the show.
Yeah, don't tell. The show's over. We're going to end it, and I'll come back in a few hours. Let's go to IRAD. Talk of the town today. All right. Thanks, everyone, for showing up today and hanging out with me in the morning. Do we raid Shadow Legends? Who's Shadow Legends? Is that IRAD's secret name? L:Q? I've never raided him before. He's very popular. He's very popular. And also I don't have time to do like fanfare. I got to raid and run. Running gag. I wasn't aware. All right. Yeah, I'll be back later, and if not, I'll be back Monday. Everyone have a good rest of your Saturday or a good rest of your Friday, wherever you are in the world. And thanks for the new follows today, and have a good one. Seriously. Bye-bye.